Hi, this is Mr. Milbauer, and this is a video to help you practice lesson number 4 in your book. So if you could all open up your lesson books, make sure you find lesson 4. And today we're going to be looking at the first part of number 1. Your assignment is number 1, 2, and 3. But we're going to look at number 1. Now, on your book, the lesson is titled Playing Eighth Notes. But how we're going to approach it in our class is we're going to call it alternating sticks. This is a really important lesson, so I'm excited to get you going with it. Now what we're going to do, if we look at the chalkboard here, is we're going to be looking at measure 1 and measure 2. This is in the first line. And we can see the TTs and we can see the tas. So just start off by familiarizing yourself with that rhythm. It's going to sound like this. T, ta, ta, ta. And the next measure sounds exactly the same. T, ta, ta, ta. So when we put them together, line 1 sounds like this. T, ta, ta, ta. T, ta, ta, ta. And we can do that many times. Here's how we're going to adjust it for percussion. When we're playing with our drumsticks, we want to alternate first the right stick, then the left stick. Right, left, right, left. Or we might do the opposite. First the left stick, and then the right. Left, right, left, right. What we're going to avoid doing is double rights or double lefts. I'm going to write it on the board so we can see. So let's take just the blue one. So this is just measure 1. We're going to start it with our right hand. So if we play our first note with the right hand, I'm going to put an R there. We're going to now follow every other note with left, right, left. It's going to look like this. Right, left, right, left, right. Let's only do the blue. It's going to sound like this. T, ta, ta, ta. I'm going to bring my screen down so you can see my drums. Let's do this. There we go. That should about do it. Okay. Let's check this out. So this is my right hand. This is my left hand. And I'm going to play right, left, right, left, right. And it'll sound like this. T, ta, ta, ta. And you can hear that first right hand, I'm playing a little bit louder. T, ta, ta, ta. And I'm making sure after every right, I do a left. After every left, I do a right. Right, left, right, left, right. T, ta, ta, ta. Okay, I'm going to bring the camera back up. All right, there we go. So, it sounds pretty basic, right? T, ta, ta, ta. T, ta, ta, ta. Right, left, right, left, right. Right, left, right, left, right. You're going to get really, really comfortable doing that with your right hand starting. And that first note can even be the loudest. T, ta, ta, ta. T, ta, ta, ta. Well, here's where the fun comes in. Because after you finish that first measure, it ends with a right. That means your next measure, this one here in purple, it's going to start with a left. So let's look at this sticking. We're going to start this hand now with left. Left, right, left, right, left. And what you're going to find, first measure starts with right hand. Second measure starts with left hand. First measure starts with right hand. Second measure starts with right hand. Now you'll hear the rhythm. T, ta, ta, ta. T, ta, ta, ta. T, ta, ta, ta. T, ta, ta, ta. But watch those sticks. I'm gonna pull the camera down one more time, all right? All right, tighten that up here. Watch those sticks. So the first time starting with right hand. The second time starting with left hand. Back to right hand. Back to left hand. It seems easy at first, but it takes a little bit of skill because most of our right hands are a little bit stronger than our left hands. By practicing these drums, by practicing this pattern over and over, you're going to start to find that your right and your left are both going to be strong. So it's going to sound like this when we put it all together. So right, left, right, left, and so forth. One more time, bring you up. All right, boys and girls. So that's going to be your practice for the week. This is lesson number 4, alternating sticks. What I'm really interested in is, can you keep the tempo steady? Can you alternate those lefts and rights? We'll worry about speed another day. It could be nice and slow. Steady is the key. Proper sticking is the key. All right, happy practicing.